Hi, my name's Art Schaap. I live in Clovis, New Mexico. I have a dairy farm, and I was forced to close it. My dairy farm was infected with the PFAS poison. It got into my cows, and therefore it got into the milk. I was forced to dump it, and I lost my income. Basically, it ruined my business. It's in my farm ground. It's in my feed, and I lost my grade A milk permit. This dairy is my lifetime dream. It's my 401k. This is where I make all my money. Me and my wife were overwhelmed with what we needed to do. We never heard of PFAS. The worst part of this whole thing is the Air Force. They knew they had a problem, and they did nothing about it. And everybody who is involved in the aftermath of PFAS are all recipients of what they've hid. They're hiding it from us and the public.